Hi everyone, welcome back to Timeless Wisdom. Did you know there are now innovative options beyond traditional nursing homes? Many people think that when self-care becomes difficult, moving to a nursing home is the only solution. But what if you could remain independent, comfortable, and surrounded by the familiar things you love? Today, there are more ways than ever to honor your independence and support your lifestyle without having to give up the comforts of home. In this video, we'll share 5 modern approaches that are transforming how seniors receive support. These methods focus on safety, companionship, and personalized assistance, helping you maintain both your freedom and your quality of life. If you or a loved one is considering a nursing home, learning about these alternatives might introduce you to new, empowering choices. So stay with us as we explore each solution and show you how it's possible to avoid a nursing home while still receiving the care and support you need. Let's begin. Number 1. Aging in place with home modifications. For many seniors, the comfort and familiarity of home are priceless, and the idea of leaving it can feel overwhelming. Aging in place, staying in your own home safely and independently as you grow older is becoming an increasingly popular and effective alternative to nursing homes. One of the key enablers of aging in place is thoughtful home modifications designed to make everyday living safer and easier. Simple changes, such as installing grab bars in bathrooms, widening doorways for wheelchair access, adding non-slip flooring, and improving lighting, can significantly reduce the risk of falls and accidents. These modifications not only enhance safety, but also empower seniors to maintain their independence longer. The home environment transforms from a potential hazard into a supportive space where seniors can continue their routines with confidence. Take Helen, a 74-year-old retired librarian. When she began to experience balance issues, she worried about moving to a nursing home. Instead, she invested in bathroom grab bars, a stair lift, and better lighting throughout her house. With these changes, Helen was able to live alone safely, keeping her independence in the familiar surroundings she cherished. Another advantage of aging in place is the emotional comfort it provides. Being surrounded by personal belongings and memories in a neighborhood you know helps reduce stress and anxiety. Seniors who age in place often report better mental health and overall satisfaction compared to those who relocate to unfamiliar environments. Financially, aging in place can also be a more sustainable choice. Nursing homes and assisted living facilities come with high costs that not every family can afford. Home modifications, while requiring some upfront investment, often cost less in the long run and provide a better quality of life. Moreover, the rise of specialized home modification services and government programs aimed at supporting seniors has made these options more accessible than ever. Many communities offer grants, loans, or subsidies to help cover the cost of necessary changes, making it easier for seniors to adapt their homes to their evolving needs. Of course, aging in place is not just about physical changes. It often involves building a network of support with family, friends, and healthcare providers to ensure comprehensive care. But when combined with home modifications, it creates a powerful strategy that allows seniors to remain independent, safe, and happy in the place they love. Choosing to age in place with thoughtful home modifications is a proactive way to stay in control of your life and health. It's about making your home work for you, not against you, and holding on to the independence that is so important for dignity and well-being. This method is not just a trend, but a movement towards empowering seniors to live their best lives in their own home, surrounded by the people and things they cherish most. It's a hopeful alternative to nursing homes that is gaining momentum for all the right reasons. Number 2, in home care services. When self-care becomes challenging, many seniors worry about losing their independence and feeling isolated. In-home care services offer a compassionate and practical alternative that helps seniors stay in their own homes while receiving the support they need. Professional caregivers can assist with daily activities like bathing, dressing, meal preparation, medication reminders, and light housekeeping while tailored to your unique needs. What makes in-home care so appealing is its personalized nature. Unlike nursing homes, where care can sometimes feel impersonal or rushed, in-home caregivers build relationships with seniors and become trusted companions. For someone like Robert, a 78-year-old retired engineer, having a caregiver come to his home daily provided not only physical help but also emotional support, which greatly improved his quality of life. In-home care also respects your privacy and freedom. You decide the level and type of assistance you need, creating a flexible arrangement that adjusts as your health changes. This autonomy is crucial for seniors who value control over their daily routines and surroundings. There are various types of in-home care services available, from skilled nursing care for complex medical needs to non-medical assistance focusing on companionship and daily tasks. Agencies typically perform thorough assessments to match caregivers with seniors, ensuring compatibility and high-quality care. Cost-wise, in-home care can be more affordable than full-time nursing home care, especially when only part-time support is needed. Many insurance plans and government programs now provide some coverage for in-home services, easing the financial burden for families. However, choosing the right caregiver or agency is essential. Quality care depends on trained, compassionate professionals who understand the unique challenges seniors face. For example, Diane, a 70-year-old widow, initially struggled with finding reliable care until she connected with a reputable agency specializing in elder care. This relationship gave her peace of mind and allowed her to live safely and comfortably at home. Ultimately, in-home care services provide a balanced solution, offering help where needed while preserving dignity and independence in the comfort of home. For seniors facing care challenges, this option is not just about assistance, it's about living life fully on their own terms. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 2 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's move forward. Number 3, technology. Enabled remote monitoring. In recent years, technology has transformed the way seniors live independently, making remote monitoring one of the most promising methods to avoid nursing home placement. Using a combination of sensors, wearable devices, and emergency alert systems, seniors can stay safe in their homes while family members and caregivers keep an eye on their well-being from a distance. Remote monitoring technologies are designed to detect falls, monitor heart rate, track daily activities, and even remind seniors to take their medications. These systems act like a safety net, providing immediate alerts if something goes wrong. For example, if an 82-year-old named George experiences a fall, his emergency button or motion sensor can notify emergency responders or family within seconds, ensuring quick assistance. This technology not only increases safety, but also offers peace of mind for families who worry about their loved ones living alone. Knowing that help is just a button press away reduces anxiety for everyone involved. Additionally, seniors benefit from the feeling of security that allows them to maintain their independence longer. Another advantage is that remote monitoring encourages seniors to stay active and engaged. Some devices track movement and sleep patterns, providing insights that help optimize health and daily routines. Healthcare providers can even use this data to adjust treatments or recommend lifestyle changes without frequent office visits. Adopting remote monitoring requires some initial setup and learning, but modern devices are becoming increasingly user-friendly. For seniors like Linda, 75, who was hesitant at first, learning to use a wearable alert bracelet gave her newfound confidence. It allowed her to live alone without constant worry, while her children stayed informed about her safety. While remote monitoring is a powerful tool, it's most effective when combined with other support methods, such as in-home care or community programs. It fills in the gaps during times when caregivers cannot be physically present, ensuring continuous supervision. Privacy concerns are often raised about these technologies, but reputable systems prioritize secure data management and give users control over what information is shared. Seniors can rest assured that their personal information is protected while benefiting from enhanced safety. Overall, technology-enabled remote monitoring is revolutionizing senior care by blending independence with protection. It offers a modern solution that respects privacy, promotes health, and helps seniors stay in the comfort of their own homes longer. For seniors facing the prospect of moving to a nursing home, embracing these technologies can make all the difference. It's a smart, safe, and increasingly popular way to maintain freedom without sacrificing care. With these devices, seniors gain not only safety, but also the empowerment to live life on their terms supported by the latest innovations designed with their needs in mind. This is more than just Tech's peace of mind that changes lives. Number 4. Community-based senior living programs. For seniors seeking support without moving into a traditional nursing home, community-based senior living programs are becoming a vibrant and effective alternative. These programs provide a combination of social engagement, assistance with daily activities, and access to healthcare services, all while allowing seniors to remain active members of their communities. Community centers, adult daycare programs, and senior co-housing arrangements offer opportunities for connection and support that can greatly enhance quality of life. Participating in group activities, educational classes, or shared meals helps combat the loneliness and isolation that so many older adults face. For example, 77-year-old Helen found new friends and a renewed sense of purpose through her local senior center, which also offered transportation to medical appointments and exercise classes tailored to her needs. These programs are designed to support independence by providing help only when needed. Seniors retain control over their daily lives, choosing when to join activities or receive assistance. This balance between autonomy and support is essential for maintaining dignity and mental well-being. Community-based living also often incorporates services such as meal delivery, housekeeping, and health monitoring, making it easier for seniors to manage daily tasks without full-time caregiving. For instance, Joe, a 72-year-old retired mechanic, participates in a community program where volunteers assist with errands and offer social visits, enabling him to live alone comfortably. Many communities now recognize the value of these programs and invest in creating inclusive, accessible environments for seniors. Some cities offer subsidies or sliding scale fees to make participation affordable for all income levels, ensuring that support is available regardless of financial status. One of the most powerful benefits of community-based programs is their ability to foster a sense of belonging. Feeling part of a group combats depression and motivates seniors to stay active physically and socially. This can slow cognitive decline and improve overall health outcomes. For families, these programs provide reassurance that their loved ones are engaged and cared for without the need for institutionalization. They also offer respite and support for family caregivers who might otherwise face burnout. While not a replacement for medical care, community-based senior living programs complement other forms of support, like in-home care and remote monitoring. Together, they create a holistic network that promotes aging in place with dignity and joy. Choosing community-based programs allows seniors to maintain independence while receiving the social and practical support essential for thriving in later years. It's an option that's gaining momentum as more people seek alternatives to nursing homes. This method celebrates the value of community connection and personal choice, showing that growing older doesn't mean giving up on living fully. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 4 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's move forward. Number 5, family and multi-generational living support. One of the oldest and most cherished ways for seniors to maintain independence while receiving care is through living with or near family members. Multi-generational living arrangements have gained renewed attention as an effective method for seniors who need help but want to avoid institutional care. Living with family provides a unique blend of emotional connection, practical support, and shared responsibilities that foster both well-being and belonging. For many older adults, being close to loved ones brings comfort and reassurance that someone is nearby in case of emergencies. It also helps reduce feelings of loneliness and isolation, which can be as damaging to health as physical ailments. Take Martha, an 80-year-old grandmother who moved in with her daughter's family. The daily interactions with grandchildren and relatives improved her mood and motivation, while her daughter helped with medications and doctor visits. Multi-generational living arrangements often result in shared household duties, lightening the load for seniors while allowing them to contribute where they can. Whether it's gardening, cooking, or storytelling, staying engaged in family life keeps seniors mentally sharp and emotionally fulfilled. This setup also allows families to pool resources, making healthcare, home modifications, and daily expenses more manageable. Families that live together or nearby can coordinate care and share caregiving duties, reducing burnout and stress for individual members. Cultural shifts have made multi-generational living more common and socially accepted, especially as housing costs rise and elder care options evolve. These living arrangements can be designed to respect privacy and independence, with modifications like separate entrances or private rooms ensuring personal space. However, it's important to establish clear communication and boundaries to maintain harmony and respect within the household. Successful multi-generational living balances mutual support with autonomy, allowing seniors to feel both cared for and empowered. In addition to the emotional and practical benefits, living with family encourages a sense of purpose. Seniors often take pride in mentoring younger generations, passing on traditions, values, and wisdom, which enhances self-esteem and life satisfaction. For families considering this option, planning ahead and discussing expectations openly helps create a sustainable and positive environment. It's not just about avoiding nursing home sits, about creating a loving home where everyone thrives. Multi-generational living represents a powerful antidote to loneliness and dependence, proving that family ties can be a vital support system in later life. It combines care with companionship, blending the best of independence and togetherness. Choosing this path can transform the experience of aging, replacing uncertainty with warmth, stability, and shared joy. It's a timeless method, revitalized for modern families seeking to care for their elders with love and dignity. Final thoughts. As we wrap up today's discussion, remember that getting older doesn't mean you have to give up your freedom or comfort. The 5 options we explored: aging safely at home with helpful changes, hiring in-home care, using new technology for support, joining community-based programs, and living with family are all powerful alternatives to nursing homes. Each choice honors your dignity, fits your unique situation, and helps you stay close to the people and places you love. Finding the best path is a personal decision and depends on your needs, preferences, and family. But one thing is clear: with good planning and the right support, seniors can enjoy a rich and independent life. These aren't just trends, they are part of a growing movement to help older adults live more fully, surrounded by care and meaningful connections. Thank you so much for being part of our community today here at Timeless Wisdom. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Please share something you learned or a tip you want to try in the comments below. Your stories and feedback mean the world to us and help others too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Timeless Wisdom, and click the bell icon so you never miss our future videos on aging well, living fully, and staying empowered at every stage of life. Your support helps us create more helpful and inspiring content for you and your loved ones. Thanks for watching. And until next time, stay confident, stay connected, and always choose to age with wisdom and joy.